back with Steve from Tricked Out Cycles. We're here with a quick little job we took in. It's one of our chrome wheel exchange programs. So we take the factory wheels off. We already have pre-chromed wheels in stock. We swap them out. On this model though, we installed wheel lights. So if you're not familiar with them, they are LED lights attached directly to the wheel. Now what we use here is a product from Raw Designs, which allows the transfer of the energy from the lights right to the wheel with this flat disc and brushes something similar to what's in a drill. So the lights are directly on the wheels. They'll rotate, the multicolored, change colors. We also have the light kit throughout the body and also on the front wheel. So these are a real popular upgrade on any motorcycle. We do them on metric cruisers, sport bikes, Harleys. It's a real nice, cool thing. As you're going down the road, it looks like a UFO. You want to talk about getting attention, these things definitely do it. So I just want to give a little quick up today. So there you have it. If you're interested in this product or anything similar or lighting kits, give us a call. Check it out. If you like what you see here, make sure you hit that button and check us out at trickedOutCycles.com.